Namaste everyone, this is Sandeep and welcome to my channel Only Study. Our today's topic is major types of soil. But before we begin, I want you all to subscribe this channel and press bell icon not to miss the coming videos. Let's start. So major soil types are: soil is generally classified on the basis of color and texture, right? And four major types of soil are: first one is alluvial. So alluvial soil is found over a large part of India. It is not past, it is part. Okay, and it is found by deposition of sediments by river, right? And confined to the northern and coastal plains. And it is very fertile and forms major agricultural land of India. So in India, the major agricultural land is major soil is alluvial soil, and it covers a large part of India. So these two questions you can easily attempt from here. Next we have black soil. It is very important soil and it is found in Deccan Plateau and confined to the some parts of Gujarat, few parts of Gujarat it covers, and then after in Maharashtra and in Karnataka, right? I hope it is clear. And it has the ability to retain moisture and become sticky when wet. Okay, this is a characteristic of this. It has the ability to retain the moisture and become sticky when it is wet. And it is largely used for cotton growing, right? And so it is known as cotton soil. So cotton soil is very important. Which soil is where is black soil? Questions are: where is black soil found? So some parts of Gujarat, Maharashtra and then Karnataka. And then after, beige soil is best to grow cotton. So this is black soil and it is also known as cotton soil, right? Write two characteristics of black soil. So characteristics are: retains moisture and becomes sticky when wet. Let's move to the next one. So here is the red soil. I forgot to write question here. Red soil, it is red in color due to the presence of iron. Okay, its color is red and that's why it is just because the presence of iron and its color is red, so it is called red soil, right? And it is confined to peninsular India and some patches of northern east part of India, right? And it is highly porous and fine grained and deep. So I forgot to write questions here. So the question can be: why is the color of the red soil is red? Due to the presence of iron. And where is the red soil confined to? So it is confined to peninsular India and patches of northern eastern parts. And characteristics: so it is highly porous and fine grained and deep, right? So these can be characteristics of this. Now here, laterite soil, it is found over, where is it found? Over the hill slopes of peninsular plateau, and it is found in the regions where the rainfall is heavy. Okay, and it is found by leaching process. Okay, leaching process we'll discuss maybe in next chapter. Okay, and now the question that you have to attempt from here: in which region does the laterite soil found? So where the rainfall is high or heavy, right? And how is the laterite soil found? It is not found, it is formed, right? So it is formed by leaching process. Now the next we have, apart from these two soil, these four types, there are two more types of soil: desert soils and mountain soils. They are found in their respective regions, right? And removal of the top layer of the soil is called soil erosion, and it has become a menace problem and cause decline to the in the crop yield. Cause of soil erosion are cutting of trees, overgrazing of animals and wrong human practices, right? Now here you have to attempt this: what does the soil erosion cause? So it cause decline in the crop yield And what are the causes of soil erosion? So these three are the causes. Let's move to the next one. Now here we have what measures of soil conservation you can take. So plantation of trees, selective agricultural practices. So there can be crop rotation, multiple cropping method. Such methods we can use for conservation of soil, right? Development and management of pasture land. So this can be also a measure that we can take. You have to attempt this question, right? Let's move to the next one. My battery is low here, so maybe it won't be uploaded. So this is a homework. Read this and do it. Then after here, again I want you all to subscribe the channel, like and share the video, and also don't forget to press the bell icon to miss the coming videos. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.